Click on the link below to get price. The Jackery Solar Generator 1500 Ultra, accompanied by two 100W prime solar panels, presents an interesting option for those in need of a reliable, portable power solution. As an all-in-one system, it is designed to harness solar energy effectively, making it particularly appealing for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and anyone looking to ensure continuous power during an outage or off-grid situation. At the heart of this generator lies a substantial 1536 watt-hour capacity, which allows for a variety of devices to be charged or powered simultaneously. Its compact design enhances portability, making it easier to transport to remote locations. The inclusion of two 100W solar panels offers users the flexibility to harness solar energy directly, providing an eco-friendly charging option that aligns well with sustainable living practices. One notable feature of the Jackery Solar Generator is its versatility in connectivity. The unit is equipped with multiple output ports, including AC outlets, USB-A, USB-C, and DC outputs. This array of options allows users to charge everything from smartphones and laptops to larger appliances such as mini fridges or CPAP machines. The generator operates silently, which can be particularly advantageous in quiet settings like campsites or residential areas. Using the Jackery Solar Generator 1500 Ultra is relatively straightforward. With a user-friendly interface, it requires minimal setup time. Users simply connect the solar panels to the generator and place them in an area with ample sunlight. The system intelligently manages power distribution to ensure that devices receive a steady flow of energy. Charging the generator itself is equally simple. It can be powered via the solar panels, a standard wall outlet, or even a car outlet, providing flexibility in charging options. In summary, the Jackery Solar Generator 1500 Ultra, paired with two 100W prime solar panels, offers a comprehensive solution for those seeking portable power. Its robust capacity, variety of output options, and ease of use make it suitable for a range of applications, from outdoor adventures to emergency preparedness. While it caters well to individual needs, potential users should consider their specific power requirements and usage scenarios to determine if this generator aligns with their expectations.